Accredited Buyer's Representative, or ABR, is a much-needed course for every agent, regardless of experience level. ABR is a 2-day class, and in states where CE credits are approved, you could receive 12 hours of continuing education. So why ABR? When the consumer knows that you've obtained your Accredited Buyer Representative designation, they'll also know that you've made the commitment to meet their needs for the largest financial transaction, which is their home purchase. Materials for the class are constantly changing, so this course stays up to date regarding how we do business. You will obtain valuable education that will elevate your skills and knowledge in the eyes of the home buyer. You'll be proficient in buyer representation and learn dialogue for instances where you may be hesitant to approach the buyer. You'll also be able to get the buyer representation agreement signed every time. And in some states, this is a requirement, so it's not an option. We'll assist you in articulating your value proposition, which a lot of agents struggle with. And since commission is often in question, your value proposition is essential. You'll gain clarity on your duties and responsibility as a buyer's agent, and also learn how to educate the buyer about the offer process, determine their negotiating position, so that they can make an informed and competitive offer based on their desire to purchase that property. When you have the right tools and the confidence, you will earn the buyer's trust, resulting in a successful and productive relationship. Invest in yourself. Gain access to exclusive tools, scripts, and dialogue to help you overcome the obstacles. Click below to view upcoming class schedules.